As one of the most special days is getting nearer, we want to make your work a lot easier. That's why we bring you this Valentine's cut paper cutout tutorial. Let's get to work on one of the most requested projects for this romantic day. Find all the files we'll be using in the descriptions links below. First, we'll create the card's background. We begin by adding some shapes to our project. You can color them as you like, but we recommend to use some gradients and this color palette. Give your design a sense of depth by adding the drop shadow effect to the front elements. Feel free to try out different values and let your creativity fly high. Following the same steps, let's create a frame for our card with some new shapes. Keep in mind that this new element will come forward to the rest of the card. Once you've got the shape you want, finish by duplicating it and creating the frame. Use the Pathfinder tool to create the shapes. Duplicate the shapes and place them as the following. Don't forget to add the drop shadow effect. Always remember to keep your projects tidy by creating a clipping mask. You can repeat this process as many times as you want to keep creating more depth. You can also play with different color tones to give even more profundity to your design. Once the background and the frame are ready, it's time to set up our main characters. Scale them and place them just where you like. Now, let's keep dropping some shadows. By repeating these steps, you'll be adding depth to each element, which will give your project a cool paper cutout effect. Time to wrap up your design. Just throw in some eye-catching typographies, give them the right color, and again, repeat the trick we have taught you. And that's it. Remember to also add drop shadows to these elements. Keep in mind that the way you order the layers will bring forward or send backwards the elements. Just to give an extra special touch, let's add some texture to give the project a paper feel. When you have placed the texture over the design, change the appearance and select the multiply option. Your design is ready. Time to try out with a mockup. Once you've opened the mockup file, place your design as a smart object. And that's it! Looking good, right? Now, give it a go and create your own Valentine's paper cutout cards.